Hello to all my amazing biography fans. Welcome back to your favorite channel, The Best Models. Meet the stunning, curvy British plus-size fashion model, Yathbeauty. She's a celebrated UK-based plus-size model, social media sensation, and YouTuber who's taken the internet by storm with her bold fashion, dazzling beauty, and strong message of body positivity. Her journey began on Instagram, where her love for fashion and fearless style instantly caught fire. Her eye-catching curves, trendy outfits, and vibrant confidence quickly won hearts around the world. Yathbeauty quickly rose as a powerful voice in the plus-size fashion space. She posts striking modeling photos, reels, and lifestyle content that showcase her bold style and unique charm. She's worked with top brands like Fashionnovacurve, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, and Nova Woman, solidifying her status as a global curve fashion icon. But she didn't stop at Instagram. Yathbeauty launched her YouTube channel on February 1, 2008, where she shares content her fans love: fashion hauls, beauty tutorials, and style tips. With thousands of loyal subscribers, her channel has become a go-to for all things fashion and beauty. Her influence is more than just style. She inspires confidence, self-love, and body acceptance, encouraging her fans to embrace their curves and break traditional beauty standards. With a growing fan base across all platforms, Yathbeauty continues to shine as a model, influencer, and beauty icon. Her journey proves that passion and confidence can open doors to global recognition. She remains a key voice in modern modeling. So friends, if you love Yathbeauty, be sure to follow her on Instagram. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more.